you all a very happy New Year 2021. On the behalf of the whole team of the Fourth City School, I welcome you all to the virtual celebrations of the New Year 2021. I wish this New Year would bring lots of happiness, excitement and bliss. Now I welcome our Honorable Chairman Sir KVP Rajugaru to convey his message on this New Year 2021.
Happy New Year to all, dear students, parents and staff. Wishing you and your family filled with joy, success and prosperity. Thank you.
Hello my dear students, it is always pleasure meeting you either virtually or physically. So it is great to meet you all on this New Year's Day and wish you all a very happy New Year. Let us have a quick recap of 2020. 2020 has been the most phenomenal years we have ever seen because the things we have dreamt not happened has happened this year. We never expected that our parents will be giving mobile phones to us and asking us to sit with mobile phone. Being in school, having your own mobile phone, all such things has come true. And we never expected that our parents could be best friends who can play with us, and we never expected that our houses, normal houses, can turn to be heavens and homes. So all such things has come true in 2020. So let us just throw the light on only the brighter side of this 2020 and move ahead with all the sweet memories into 2021. So coming up, doing nothing has benefited the environment. Making us to stick to the environment, stick to the houses has benefited the environment, has made a pause to the global warming. All such things has happened. So with all the goodness that 2020 has given and leaving all the grief and things which will not benefit us in ahead, we will be stepping ahead to 2021, wishing you all a very happy and prosperous New Year, and hope we all will be facing the challenge which we are going through most effectively, as 2020 has trained us very well.
Good morning children. This New Year is so special as it has bring new challenges and experiences. Let's have some new changes as it is perfect time to upgrade our skills. As a school, we are trying hard to take our students on a higher level. We always try to teach the children the way they should learn and help them climb their own mountains as high as possible. Here, all the faculty members are striving to bring out the best in you. My dear children, the school is always with your journey towards success. At last, I would like to say that I am blessed to find myself among such talented teachers and brilliant students. I once again wish you all a very happy New Year.
Dear students, parents and staff, may this year brings happiness, new goals, new achievements and lot of new inspirations on your life. Once again, Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hi dear students and parents, hope all of you doing good. I wish a fantastic and fruitful New Year to all of you. I believe you lead a great future ahead with the help of the lessons you learned during pandemic. Stay safe, stay learning, stay rocking. Thank you.
Resolution in the new year is just like clutches in a vehicle. They hold us throughout the year, reminding us that we should not be carried away by fascinations around us. Now, let us watch the New Year resolutions of our young minds.
Good afternoon, respective teachers, principals and my dear friends. I am K. Shishwini from 5th Blue in 4th City School. Now I am telling about my short-term goal and my resolution. My bad habit is watching mobile phone and TV. So, in 2021, I wish I will avoid my mobile phone, seeing more, and I will study more. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Cecilia. I am studying in 4th City School. In New Year, I will start to research about the ancient people of our country and their civilization. I am very interested in learning about kings. I am very interested in learning about the great King Krishnadevara. Till now, I know that the Krishnadevara was an emperor of the Vijayanagaram.
My name is Sriram. I am studying 3rd Blue 4th City School. Happy New Year to all of you. My New Year resolution is I want to speak in English at home. My short
evening, madam. My name is Harshad. I am studying in 5th LO. I am going to tell about my resolution in the next year 2021. I want to go school every day and I want to be responsible man about in the issues of my studies and the issues of my parents. And my long-term goal is to become a police.
My name is K. Yashwant. I am studying Fort City School in 6th grade. I am grateful to my teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share about my short-term and long-term goals. As about the New Year revolution, my short-term goal is increase in stress, such as each time I play cricket. I love being a part of cricket. Coming to my
Good evening, one and all. I am K. Shravan, studying 9th Blue in Fort City School. Thanks for giving for me this opportunity. Today, I will tell my resolution in 2021. My resolution is to become a good student in 2021 because next year I am going to 10th class.
Morning, madam and sirs. My name is Jami Geetika. I am studying 4th grade in Fort City School. My goal is I want to become a doctor. Advance Happy New Year, madam and sirs. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is M. Navneet Kumar from 9th Blue. First of all, wish you a very happy New Year to all. We faced so many pandemic situations in this 2020, but we have learned so many things in this year, like how to face the problems and how to solve the things. And I hope the next year maybe we have the most and happy moments in the year 2021.
Is the hidden language of the soul. It's not an exaggeration to say that everyone, irrespective of the age, would react to its magical tune, showing their different movements. Let us encourage our friends to enjoy and different rhythms of the dance.
Dhum ta na 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 dhum dhum ta na 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 dhum dhum agappa dhum dhum ta na na de na 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 dhum dhum agasa ragir da dhum da 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 di ra na 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 da dagir da dhum da dagir da dhum dagir da dhum 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 da na 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 de na 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 dhum kirta na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa kirta na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa kirta na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa come on now follow my lead come on now follow my lead gama ba ma gama ma gama ba ma gama sa gama ba ma gama ma gama ba ma gama sa wa ba ni pa gama ma gama ba ma gama sa 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 gama ba sa gama ma why ni ba ma ba ga re sa ni why pa ni sa sa pa ni sa sa pa ni sa sa why ga re sa ba ga re sa ni da ba why
Do you remember how we enjoyed 30th and 31st December previous years in schools?
Yes, I do. We all were busy preparing greeting cards for our teachers and friends.
So sad. This year the schools are closed due to the pandemic situation. Now let us have a glance how our classrooms are.
Oh God, completely silent. The schools and classrooms have lost its charm.
No, don't know when the circumstances would restore its past glory. We missed a lot.
Very true, but don't you think we have learned lot more technology, online classes, assignments, homework, etc.?
But we missed all the fun.
Oh dear, we must strengthen our spirit to face the challenges boldly.
Yes, you are right. Now let us hope that the new year 2021 will bring lots of hope, courage, perseverance to make the year more happy, beautiful and bright.
That's the spirit. Very soon we would be together in the schools. I hope very soon we all would enjoy our learning and make lots of fun.
Happy New Year
to all. My name is M. Chananteza from 6th Blue. Wish you a happy, prosperous New Year. I am praying for the God to get a good conditions in a New Year 2021. My short-term goal is maintain discipline in every situations. My long-term goal is mechanical engineering. Thank you, madam.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Deepshita. I am studying in Fort City School, 2nd L. To explain about my short-term and long-term goal. My short-term goals is to develop myself, my knowledge in science. My long-term goal is become a doctor because I wanted to become helping hand. My new year resolution includes allowing some quality time towards our health care. Thank you, teachers.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sampath Kuber. I am studying 4th standard. My short-time goal is to become a businessman like my father, and my long-time goal is to help needy people.
Good morning. I am Naidesh. I am studying in 4th. My section name is Green. My school name is Fort City School. My ambition is government job. My background is sweets.
Hello friends, my name is Kuldeep. I am studying in 4th grade in Fort City School. Last year 2020 is last academic year. We are all waiting to 2021. My goal is become a doctor. My short-term goal is my short-term goal is learning new things and respect elders.
Hello everyone, this is Niharika from 6th Blue and I am here to tell you about my short-term goal and long-term goal. My goal is to be an IAS officer in my future, but I changed my decision to be a bank manager in my future. If I want to be a bank manager, I have to focus on maths now. And now I will tell about relevant degrees for banking. Business, economics, finance, statistics and maths are the main subjects for banking.
Good morning friends, this is Pranati from class 8th grade. I am studying in Fort City School. Now I am telling you about make a resolution for New Year 2021, decreasing of laziness. I want to decrease my laziness in the 2021.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. This is Keshishwari Mahi. I am studying 5th Blue in Fort City School. First of all, wish you a happy new year. Now I am going to tell about my short-term goal and long-term goal. My short-term goal is to develop one good habit every month and improve my communication skills. My long-term goal is to become an IAS officer in future. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Everyone enjoys music, feels relaxed and refreshed. It soothes our mind and heart. Music gives a great relief and de-stress our weary mind. Let us enjoy the melodious tunes of our young friends.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tevyak. I am studying in Sandhurst from Fort City School. Now I am singing one song. Hullala, 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 hullala. Kammani kananaku ahvanam, chakkani chelimiki srikaram, palikina patakina pranam, ankitam vannadi na hrudayam. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
celebrate, 'cause good things are coming. New opportunities are at the door. Hold your head up, drop the sorrow. No regrets now for tomorrow. It's a new chance for a new life. Everything you have been waiting for. Future is bright now as things turn over. The possibilities around the corner. New innovation with new creation. All the good things that we have in store. Now it's a brand new day and it's a brand new year, and there is hope in tomorrow.
Children, Happy New Year to all. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Happy New Year. Wishing you this year fully loaded with happiness. Thank you.
Happy New Year, children. In this pandemic situation, we are celebrating this Happy New Year in a virtual way. I hope to see you in soon. Thank you very much.
హాయ్ పిల్లలు, అందరికీ నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈ కొత్త సంవత్సరంలో మీరు అందరూ కూడా స్కూల్కి రావాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ అందరికీ నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Hi students, wish you all a very happy new year 2021. I hope that this new year would bring all happiness, excitement and enjoyment. Let us all meet very soon together in this school.
Hi children, wish you a happy and healthy new year. I hope this year you all be in the classroom. And once again, happy new year.
Hi children, Happy New Year. I want to see you soon. Thank you.
Hi children. Happy New Year. Happy New Year children. All the best for your bright future.
Happy New Year, children. Hi, children. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, children. Hi, children. Happy New Year. Wish you happy and healthy Happy New Year. Wish you all a happy and healthy New Year. Wish you a happy and healthy Happy New Year. Wish you a happy and healthy Happy New Year. Wish you all happy and healthy New Year.
Hi children, wish you all a happy and prosperous New Year.
Hi children, wish you a very happy and prosperous New Year and a very happy safe New Year.
Hello dear students, a very happy and a prosperous New Year to all of you. Let the coming year be, we should have a bright, not comparing to the last year what we have been lost. Let us have a full of excitement and enjoyment in the coming years, and we see you all fine in the school again, back to the school. So wish you all a happy and a prosperous New Year to all of you. Happy New Year children.
Hi children, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year 2021 to all my 40 students and my colleagues and my dear principal, madam, directors and coordinators. Thank you.
Been that basketball, we paying that a lot. I'm in this get to the chicken, whip it, then I flip it and trap it off. I gotta get to the dollar, on the hitters and back, come on. Smoking on gas, so long. Ready to whack, come on. Whack, come on. Whack, come on. Clap, 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 come on. Trap hard, all my